Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will start the class. Today, your class is basically the power station practice. Now, as you seen on your screen, it is requested to please turn off all the mics. So, as you seen on your screen, we have a power station and practice, and there is an today class. We have an introduction class. The subject code is EE704 and it is a 7th semester year class. As I have already discussed with you people on yesterday lecture about uh, the power station practice. What do you mean by this power station practice? ये power station practice क्या होता है? So if you see on your diagram or a photograph that I have pasted in this slide, it is a basically the combination of three main things, that is your transmission system, your substation, and your distribution. Now see what will be happen. As you are see, this is your transmission, this is your substation, and this is your distribution. Slowly and slowly I will discuss with you people that what will be happen, how this will be overcome, and how this will be can achieve. Now if I say regarding your syllabus, so the syllabus for this is here. You have the two sections, section number 1 and section number 2. If you see on the syllabus, there is a section 1. In this you have the choice of generating power station, power scenario of India, factors affecting the cost of the generation, the choice, size, number of units, then power factor, disadvantages and advantages of power factor, methods for improvement of power factor, and after that you have the location of power factor. Now after that we have power tariffs, जो मैंने आपसे कल बात करी थी. टैरिफ्स क्या होते हैं? टैरिफ मींस सिंपली आई कैन से दैट एक तरह का किराया. इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज और इन अवर लैंग्वेज इट इज कॉल्ड एज सिंपल, यू कैन से दैट रेंट. या प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर माइक्स. सो किराया मतलब और टैरिफ मतलब जो आप लोग रेंट पे करते हैं बिजली के लिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पावर टैरिफ. Coming to the third unit, that is called as, this is the type of the substation. Here you have to discuss the key diagrams. Key diagrams means single line diagrams. You have to cover the single line diagrams, what are the various equipments used in that stations and all that. So this is comprises of section A or section 1. So you can say that in a section 1 basically there are 3 units. Number 1 will be generating stations, number 2 will be power tariffs, and number 3 will be substations. And if you go on section number 2, you have automatic voltage regulators, then you have power plant instrumentations, and commissioning and operation of alternator. So again जैसे कि मैंने आपको कल बोला था, आपका जो नॉर्मल पेपर्स का शेड्यूल रहेगा, अगर आपके पेपर जैसे हर बार होते हैं वैसे ही होंगे. सो again you have to attempt the 3 questions from each of the section and 2 questions from any of the section. So अगर मैं पावर स्टेशन प्रैक्टिस की बात करूं तो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स या मैक्सिमम जो पिछला ट्रेंड चल रहा है